Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to set up background video source for home section. Before we set up our home background video, we need to discuss different formats of video. To implement video on the web, you need to host three video formats: the MP4, OGG, and WebM. As you know, we are going to use HTML5 to build solo website. And before the arrival of HTML5, a video could only be played in a browser with a plugin like Flash. But with the arrival of HTML5, we can specify a standard way to embed a video. Different browsers do not support the same media formats in their implementations of HTML5 video. Therefore, to display a video using HTML5, which works in the newest versions of all the major browsers, you can serve your video in these three formats. So there are three video formats that work natively in modern browsers. The MP4 file format is usually with MP4 extension, and this format is based on Apple's older QuickTime container. The OGG file format is usually with OGV extension. OGG is an open standard format and supported by Firefox, Chrome, and Opera browsers. The WebM file format is usually with WebM extension. WebM is a royalty-free, open-source, friendly video compression designed specially for use with HTML5 video. It is supported in the latest versions of Chrome, Mozilla, and Opera browsers. Now the question is, why do we need these video formats? Unfortunately, none of these work in all browsers. So you will need a combination of at least two video formats for meaningful HTML5 video support. Okay, let us start setting up video source for home background. The video I am going to use for solo home section is this solo.mp4 file. I am going to open this video file inside Media Player. This is very short video and the total duration of this video is 15 seconds. You should always use short video. Long duration video doesn't work great on web page. The video you use for your web page should be relevant to your organization. As you see, there is some office work going on and it can represent company in a best way. Okay, the video format of this file is MP4. Let us get other video formats for this video. I'm going to use this online video converter tool. Visit this URL converterpoint.com. On this website, you can upload your video and you can get other video formats for web. Basically, it is HTML5 video converter and it will convert your video into other video formats like WebM, OGV or MP4. I'm going to upload my video file on this website. I'm going to click on this browse button. And I'm going to look for solo.mp4 file. I'm going to upload my solo.mp4 file on this website. And it just started uploading my solo.mp4 file. Okay, it finished uploading my video file. Once you upload your video file, you get different options on this website. You can see the live preview of your video, you can delete the audio and you can resize your video. Now you can see the video preview on the background of this website. Okay, I'm going to click on this convert button and it is going to give me options for video formats. We already have MP4 format, so we don't need it. I need OGG format, which means this is OGV format. I'm going to select this OGV format. And I need WebM format. I'm going to click on this Start Your Conversion button and it is going to start video conversion. As you see, it is converting video for me. It is generating WebM file, it is generating OGV file, and additionally it has generated JPEG file, which we will use as a poster for home section. Okay, the conversion is done and now I have these files. I have this WebM file, I have this OGV file, and I have this JPEG file. These files are ready for download. You can download these files by clicking on this download button. I'm going to download them on my system. Okay, these are the files which I just converted and downloaded from converterpoint.com website. This is OGV file. This is WebM file. And this is JPEG image. And we already had MP4 file. I'm going to move these video files to my solo web project. I'm going inside solo web project, and inside this folder I am going to create a new folder and I'll give it a name video. And inside this video folder I am going to add my video files. I'm going to attach these video files to this lecture as a resource so you can download them and use them in your project. Now we have our video formats ready for home section and we will use them in next lecture. In next lecture, I'll start writing HTML markup for home section. I'll see you in next class. Thanks.